Example 1.17. One of the important sum in exam point of view, but if you go inside the textbook it is a bit difficult to understand, so I am going to make you to understand with my derivation. F, the real numbers nothing but minus 1 comma 1, they are deleting minus 1 comma 1. See, the real numbers contains we can put any for f, the function s where x is called domain. For x we can put any values except minus 1 and 1. What is the reason for here? If we are going to put 1 the whole square is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, so denominator getting 0. As the denominator getting 0, the function move towards infinity, so it is impossible one. If we are going to put minus 1 also, become denominator going to become 0. So our main work is not to make denominator as 0, so we should not put minus 1 and 1. We can put any real number values except minus 1 and 1 to verify 1 to 1 or not. Always we will learn in 10th standard max also, f of x, we need to take f of x is equal to f of y, which implies x is equal to y, which implies x is equal to y. This is our 1 to 1. I will tell you once again, f of x is equal to f of y, we need to take f of x is equal to f of y, which implies x is equal to y. This is our main work we need to prove. If it is x is equal to y, we need to take f of x, we need to take f of y, then we need to prove x is equal to y. If we proved x is equal to y, therefore it is called 1 to 1 function. It is called 1 to 1 function. So our work is now we need to say this f of x is equal to x divided by x square minus 1 is 1 to 1 or not. So I am going to proceed now. So first I need to take f of x is equal to f of y. F of x, what is f of x? X divided by x square minus 1 is equal to, in place of y I need to put y divided by y square minus 1. So since f of x is equal to x divided by x square minus 1, what is f of y? In place of x I am substitute y, so y divided by y square minus 1. So I have done this. Now make a cross multiplication here, x into y square minus 1, x into y square minus 1 is equal to y into x square minus 1. The cross multiplication process over. Next multiply, x into y square is xy square, x into minus 1 is minus x, y into x square is yx square, y into minus 1 is minus y. Next yx square, let come this side, and minus y also let come this side, becomes plus y. So xy square, this plus will becomes y, so minus y x square, this is minus x, this is plus minus y. So first this minus y comes this side, becomes plus y, this minus x right is equal to 0. What is the common between these two terms? Nothing but x, y, y. So I am going to take outside x and y. If I am going to take x, y as outside, remaining is y, x, y taken, remaining is nothing but x. So what is the real also? Y minus x, so I put as 1 is equal to 0 plus y minus x. So what is totally common here? Y minus x, take outside y minus x. If we are going to take y minus x outside, what is the remaining here? xy, the remaining is plus 1 is equal to 0. Now I need to equate to 0, y minus x is equal to 0 and xy plus 1 equal to 0. Let minus x come this side, becomes x is equal to y. So what we need to get, that we have got x is equal to y, we have got x is equal to y. But the problem is this one. See what is present here, this comes in xy is equal to minus 1, xy is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by y. So what we need to get, if I am going to apply f of x is equal to f of y, which implies I need to get x is equal to y only. But what is the problem here? X is equal to y, we have got x is equal to minus 1 by y. As the two answer we have got, therefore f of x is not 1 to 1. As we have got two answer, f of x is not 1 to 1. So in such a cases when we are showing f of x is 1 to 1, no problem. For once we have said f of x is not 1 to 1, then we need to show with some examples. This is the main thing. This only they have done in the textbook. If f of x is 1 to 1, no problem. We show it is f of x1, we proved. We can move to next problem. But if f of x is not 1 to 1, then we need to show with some examples why it is not 1 to 1. It is very betterment for us. So why it is not 1 to 1? Because of this one is a problem creates here. X is equal to minus 1 by y. Take x is equal to minus 1 by y here. X is equal to minus 1 by y. We can take any numbers except minus 1 and 1. So if we are going to take x is equal to 2, if we are going to take x is equal to 2, or I can choose some other. In place of x is equal to minus 1 by y, I will write y is equal to minus 1 by x. I will write y is equal to minus 1 by x. If in spite of taking x is equal to minus 1 by y, let y move this side, x come this side. So y is equal to minus 1 by x. First I am going to take x is equal to, which implies put y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So what is the point? Point is nothing but 2 comma minus 1 by 2. The problem is 2, x is 2, y is 1 by 2. Now I am going to take value x is equal to minus 1 by 2. I have taken x is equal to, in spite of don't need minus 1 by 2, I will take minus 2, betterment of minus 2. I will take minus 2. What is happens here? Y is equal to minus 1 divided by, in place of x apply minus 2. So minus and minus gets cancelled. So answer is nothing but 1 by 2. How I can write minus 2 comma 1 by 2. So these are the examples they given by us, given in textbook. But in spite of doing this, I am going to make one clear observation here. Nothing but I am going to take f of x itself. F of x. F of x is equal to x divided by x square minus 1. These are the examples here. They used someone also, but I am not using these examples now. We don't need to write also, but what I written I would call, but I am going to do with f of x is equal to x divided by x square minus 1. First I am going to put x is equal to 2. First I am going to put x is equal to 2. If I am going to put x is equal to, what is the answer? F of 2 is equal to 2 divided by 2 the whole square minus 1, 2 divided by 4 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 1 is 3. F is equal to 2 by 3. So I have got 2 by 3. Suppose I am going to take x is equal to minus 1 by 2. What will the answer? F of minus 1 by 2 is equal to, what is x? Minus 1 by 2 divided by, what is x? Minus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 1, minus 1 by 2 divided by, that is nothing but 1 by 4 minus 1, minus 1 by 2 divided by, that is nothing but minus 3 by 4. Minus gets cancelled. 1 by 2 into, it is reciprocal, 4 by 3. Both will be cancelled. Answer is 2 by 3. 2 also I get an answer 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 2 also I get an answer 2 by 3. Suppose I am going to take this option, this like arrow diagram. In this arrow diagram, this I can place as f of x. There is one contained value 2. This is domain 2. There is another value minus 2 1 by. There is many values present here. So what is here also many values present, because R no, both are R. Both a function is nothing but real numbers. So domain is also real numbers, codomain also real numbers, but only exception minus 1 and 1 should not present. If we are going to take this 2 maps to 2, there is many number present here. I am going to take 2 by 3 alone. This 2 maps to 2 by 3, 2 maps to 2 by 3, minus 1 by 2 also maps to 2 by 3. So therefore it is not one-to-one function, this is many-to-one function. So we don't need to write this one. Just textbook they given, I have written to you. In spite of writing this, take this one as best example. F of x equal to x divided by x square minus 1. Put one value is x is equal to 2, answer get 2 by 3. Put another value is minus 1 by 2, you can answer same 2 by 3. So this is domain values 2 and minus 1 by 2. This is domain value. X is domain value. F of x is called range. We can say it is also range also, no problem. Therefore this 2 is also maps 2 by 3, minus 1 by 2 maps also 2 by 3. Therefore this is not one-to-one function. Therefore it is not one-to-one. Betterment you can write here also, f of x is not one-to-one. So it is not one-to-one function, it is many-to-one function. Using this example you can clearly tell this is not one-to-one function. Thank you.